The citrate synthase is the first reaction in the TCA cycle. It involves the condensation of acetyl-CoA and oxaloacetate to form citrate. The condensation reaction is specifically called Claisen condensation, which is the carbon-carbon condensation between the ester and another carbonyl. This reaction is highly exergonic at delta G0 of negative 31.4 kilojoules per moles, which drives the reaction forward, and is irreversible under standard conditions. In the mechanism, a base on the enzyme accepts proton from the methyl group of acetyl-CoA, which produces a stabilized alpha carbanion of acetyl-CoA. This nucleophile attacks the alpha carbonyl of oxaloacetate, yielding citral-CoA. The reaction is completed by the hydrolysis of the high-energy thioester to citrate and free CoA.
A mutation on the gene for citrate synthase leads to a decrease in citrate synthase production. This induces the cell to transition from an epithelial to a mesenchymal phenotype. The EMT phenotype can invade lymphatic, circulatory, and connective tissues. The EMT switch is commonly associated with increased tumor malignancy.
Altered metabolic enzyme expression of citrate synthase may impair mitochondrial respiration. This in turn switches the energy production from the TCA cycle to an increase in the activation of cytosolic glycolysis for cellular ATP generation, and this reduces ATP production. Studies have shown that the defects in the mitochondrial respiration process forces the cell to revert to energy production through glycolysis, resulting in the accelerated promotion of tumor malignancy.
There are many symptoms associated with malignant tumors. Common symptoms include unexplained weight loss, fever, fatigue, pain, and skin changes. The signs and symptoms will depend on where the cancer is, how big it is, and how much it affects the organs or tissues. There are many different options for treatment of cancer. Your doctor will help you choose the best method of approach depending on your case. Each case is different, so not one approach for treatment is best for all. Some treatment options are surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, targeted therapy, immunotherapy, stem cell transplant, and many others.